Hi, and welcome to JavaScript Mastery. In this video, I will share with you the best web development YouTube channels that I personally find awesome for learning web development. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. LearnCode.academy provides value in fields of web development and design. Their topics include tutorials of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node, Angular, and much more. As you can see here, we have web development, React, modular JavaScript, and yearly special is a video about web development, the must-know tech, that covers all the web technologies you need to know for the current year. The second one on the list is DevTips. DevTips has a lot of educational playlists about building responsive websites, code editors, CSS, and web development. They release a video once a week, and their content provides a lot of value for everyone learning web development. Here we can see the best web development content of 2018, Docker, fonts, font loading performance, and much more. The third one on the list is Fun Function. Fun Function is a bit different from all the other channels mentioned here. With usual video tutorials and web development topics, it also covers some life and work related topics like the value of non-business projects, as you can see here, or feeling of being unproductive, like this one here. Fun Function ties programming to life and work balance, which I think is required for every web developer. The next one on the list is Codecourse. Codecourse is famous for PHP Basics playlist that in 35 videos covers everything you need to know to start writing PHP. His channel also contains the topics of Laravel, React, JavaScript, and much more. And the last one on the list is LevelUpTutorials. LevelUpTutorials provides over 800 video tutorials. Videos created for LevelUpTutorials are aimed to be accessible and easy to follow while maintaining high production values. His most recent videos cover topics of NPM packages, React testing, Webpack, and much more. All of these great channels have motivated me to create my own, where I can also provide value to web developers striving to learn more every day. I create videos related mainly to JavaScript for both beginners and intermediate developers, as well as React, Node, Express, and much more video topics. So if you like the content that I provide, feel free to subscribe and be one of my early supporters. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.